Good evening, ma'am. I'm Queenie Angel A. Salvador from BSBA HR2A, and I'm here to discuss the scientist that I choose is Claire Baltasar. Claire Baltasar, she was a Filipino entomologist. She specialized in systematic entomology, and she was born in November 1, 1927 at San Fernando, La Union, Philippines. Baltasar began her study at the University of Philippines, Los Baños, in 1947, and she took the course BSA in Entomology, and she graduated summa cum laude in 1950. She studies MS in Economy Entomology in University of Wisconsin, USA, and she take again another course which is PhD in Systematic Entomology, University of Wisconsin in 1957, and she died in July 13, 2024 in San Fernando, LA Union, Philippines, La Union. Claire Baltasar made significant contribution to entomology by specializing in the study and classification of Hymenoptera and the order of insects that includes ants, bees, and wasps. She authored the Catalog of Philippines Hymenoptera in 1966, a comprehensive reference that documents all known Philippine species of this order from 1758 to 1963. In 1979, she published Philippine Insect and an Introduction, the first author textbook on the Philippine insect's life, which became an essential reference for students and researchers in the country. Baltasar described 8 new genus, 1 subgenus, and 108 new species of parasitic worms, many of which are endemic to the Philippines. Through her research and publication, she helped establish entomology as a critical scientific field in the Philippines and influencing generation of Filipino scientists. For her scientific achievements, she was named a National Scientist of the Philippines in 2001, in the highest honor awarded in the Filipino scientists. That's all. Thank you po, ma'am.